Good morning, class. So let's start our today's maths class. So children, in our today's class, we are going to learn another topic that is about conversions of fractions. Okay, children? So in our previous class, what we have learned, children? We have learned about the types of fractions. What are they? Improper fractions, and mixed fractions, along with the examples. Now, in our today's class, we are going to learn how to convert fractions. That means how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions to mixed fraction. Okay, children? So, before starting our today's class, let's do a quick recap. The topic which we have learned in our previous class. Right? So, I have taught you definitions of proper, improper and mixed fractions along with the examples. Okay, children? So, tell me, what are proper fractions? Yeah, children? What are proper fractions? Fractions having the numerator less than the denominator, we call it what? Proper fraction. In improper fractions, what? Numerators are greater than the denominator. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a fractional number. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and the proper fraction. Alright, children? So now, to do a recap part, I have a question for you all. Clear? So I'll give you some fractions. From there you have to identify proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So, identify the proper, improper and mixed fraction. Mixed fractions. Fractions from the given fractions. Now I will give you some fractions. Okay, from there you are going to identify proper, improper and the mixed fraction. So first fraction is 8 by 8. Second one is 15, 7 by 9. Third one, 72 by 59. Third one is 29 by 32. Now children, tell me. Identify the proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction from the given fraction. Yes? As already we have learned in our previous class. So first one, 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is, yeah children, 8 by 8. It represents what? Whole. Yes or no? So 1. So 8 by 8 is a what type of fraction? Tell me children. 8 by 8 is a what type of fraction? Yes? 8 by 8, 15, 7 by 9, 72 by 59, 29 by 32. 8 by 8 is what? Whole. Sometimes what happens, when we add two like fractions, okay, we might get what? Both the numerator and denominator same. In that case, that type of fractions, what we call? We call it improper fraction. We call it what? Improper fraction. Clear? So remember, if the denominator and numerator is same, that fraction we call it what? Improper fraction. 15, 7 by 9. This fraction is a combination of whole number and a fractional number. It's a proper fraction. So, what type of fraction this one? It is a, yes children, mixed fraction. It is a what? mixed fraction. Next one, 72 by 59. Here you see, numerator is greater than the denominator. That means it is a improper fraction. Yes, it is an improper fraction. 29 by 32. Here, numerator is less than the denominator. What type of fraction this one? Yes, it is a proper fraction. Got it, children? Yes. So in our previous class, we have learned definition of proper fraction, improper fraction, and what? Mixed fraction. Right? So this way you have to identify. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a fractional number. That is a proper fraction. Proper fraction is what? Numerators are less than the denominator. Improper fraction, numerators are greater than the denominator. Got it? Now, in our today's class, what we are going to learn? How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. And how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So these two we are going to convert. Clear? So let's start. So children, now we will learn the conversion of fractions. Okay? So question is what? See, I have taken two examples. Convert the following improper fraction to mixed fractions. So these two are what type of fractions? These two are improper fractions. Why? Because the numerators are greater than the denominators. Now, how you are going to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? To convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Clear? Then we can convert to mixed fraction. Now here you see how to do. 35 divided by 4. Clear? So we will now take a number less than 35 or equal to 35. So 4 into 8, 32. Got it? So 5 minus 2, 3. 8 is what? Quotient. 3 is what? Remainder. Now, to make it a mixed fraction, what we have to do? To make it a mixed fraction, we are going to write quotient as a whole. Quotient as a whole. Then remainder as a numerator. And the divisor as a denominator. Because whatever denominator is there, your denominator should be same. Okay? Denominator should be same. So now see, this is a mixed fraction. Clear? This is a mixed fraction. So this improper fraction we have converted into mixed fraction by doing division. Clear? So the required mixed fraction is what? 8 3 by 4. Improper fraction 35 by 4, when we convert it to mixed fraction, we get what? 8 3 by 4. After dividing, what you have to do to make it as a mixed fraction? Quotient will be the whole number and the divisor will be the denominator. Because denominators will remain same. And the remainder is what? The numerator. Clear? So answer is what? 8 3 by 4. So now this is a what fraction? Mixed fraction. We have converted improper fraction to mixed fraction. How? By doing division. Next come to number B. 37 by 6. Divide 37 by 6. So 6 into 6, 36. Subtract 2, 7 minus 6, 1. So 1 is remainder. Now we are going to convert this into mixed fraction. So as I told you, denominator will be remain same. This one divisor I have taken as a denominator. The remainder will be what? Numerator. And the quotient will be what? As a whole number. So the required mixed fraction is 6 1 by 6. Okay. So improper fraction 37 by 6. When you convert into mixed fraction, we get answer how much? 6 1 by 6. So this is the answer. I hope it is clear to everyone how to convert following improper fraction to mixed fraction. To convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we have to do division. We have to divide the numerator by the denominators. Okay, after dividing, we write quotient as a whole number, remainder as a numerator, and the divisor is will be the denominator. Denominator should be same. Got it, children? Yes, I'll show you two examples. So this is how you have to do conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Just remember, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we have to do division. Now I am going to show you how to the reverse one, how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Clear? So next one, children, how to convert the mixed fraction to improper fractions. And just now I have shown you how to convert improper fraction to mixed fractions. Now, how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now children, tell me, what type of fractions are these? I have taken 3 examples. Tell me, these are what? Mixed fraction. Okay? Now we are going to convert this into improper fraction. So to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, steps are, what you have to do first, you have to multiply the whole number by the denominator. Okay, you have to multiply a whole number by the denominator. Okay, then you have to add the numerator. So, just I will write here formula, whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. This is the formula. This way you have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Now here you see this example number A. Which one is whole number? 12. Okay? 1 by 2 fractional number, proper fraction. So to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, what we are going to do? Whole number is 12. 12 into 2 plus 1. 12 is what? Whole number. 2 is denominator. 1 numerator by the denominator. So 12 into 2, 24 plus 1 by 2 is 25 by 2. So the improper fraction is 25 by 2. Got it, children? Yes? Clear? So to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, how we have to do? Whole number into denominator plus numerator by the denominator. So whole number is 12, as I have explained and told you. 12 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So 12 into 2, 24 plus 1 by 2. Got 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 is the improper fraction. Got it? Now next these two. I hope it is clear to everyone. Next, which one is whole number? 40. 40 into 5. 5 is denominator plus 4. 4 is numerator by 5. 40 into 5. 200. Yes? Plus 4 by 5. So 204 by 5. So 204 by 5 is the answer. It's the improper fraction. Got it? Next, number C. 2 is the whole number. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 whole number into denominator plus numerator by 2. By denominator. So 2 to 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. So these are all improper fractions. Question given in mixed fraction. Question asked us to convert into improper fraction. So we got improper fractions. Clear, children? Yes? So as I have already told you that today's topic is about conversion of fraction. Conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fractions. I have shown you some examples how to convert. Yes, children? So today's class, whatever I have taught you, whatever we have learned together, kindly you all practice this conversion of fractions. Okay, children? So two things I taught: convert mixed fraction to improper fraction to mixed fraction. So these things you all practice it. Got it, children? So I'll give you two questions based on the topic which I have explained to you today. Okay? Kindly you all solve it, and as I have already told you that two questions I am going to ask you in the next live class. So prepare it. Clear, children? Yes? Thank you.